Welcome to the world of AWS global infrastructure. Imagine a network of data centers spread across the globe, all working together to power your favorite websites, apps, and services. That's AWS in a nutshell. This vast infrastructure is divided into regions and availability zones, each playing a crucial role in making your cloud experience smooth, reliable, and secure. Think of AWS global infrastructure as a well-coordinated team of superheroes, each with unique powers, working tirelessly to protect your data and keep your applications running. Understanding these components is key to unlocking the full potential of AWS for your business. Let's dive in. AWS regions are like geographical locations for your cloud resources. Imagine them as cities around the world where AWS has built massive data centers. These regions are strategically placed to serve different parts of the globe, ensuring low latency and optimal performance for users in those areas. When you launch an AWS service, you choose a specific region as your home base. This choice determines where your data is stored and from where your applications are served. For instance, if your users are primarily in Europe, choosing a region like Ireland ensures they experience faster loading times and a smoother overall experience. Latency, in simple terms, is the time it takes for data to travel from one point to another. In the digital world, every millisecond counts. When you're browsing a website or using an app, high latency can lead to frustrating delays and a poor user experience. Choosing an AWS region closer to your users geographically helps reduce this latency. It's like choosing a coffee shop closer to your home. You get your caffeine fix faster without having to travel far. Similarly, when your cloud resources are closer to your users, data travels shorter distances, resulting in faster loading times and a more responsive application. Section 4. Rules are rules, compliance, and data residency. In addition to latency, data residency plays a crucial role in choosing the right AWS region. Many countries have specific regulations about where data can be stored and processed. This is especially true for sensitive information like financial records or personal data. AWS offers a wide range of regions to help businesses comply with these regulations. By choosing a region within a specific country or geographical area, businesses can ensure they meet data sovereignty requirements and avoid potential legal complications. AWS makes it easy to stay compliant while enjoying the benefits of cloud computing.